This is how cook manok.
Manok?
Yeah, this is called lechon manok.
Lechon manok?
Yeah, lechon manok.
Masarap ba lechon manok?
Oh, it is a special, beautiful in the steak chew.
Ano daw?
You know a lechon manok?
I know, lechon manok.
Chicken in chicken with a burning charcoal. You know charcoal?
Yeah.
Tagalog,
Rain.
Yeah, burning charcoal, and then you put the manok and like that is stainless steel, and then the rotation of the manok is continuously.
Okay.
Yeah, the continuously rotation of the manok.
Okay po,
And
sir.
the heat is very ouchy.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Mainit. Mainit,
No, it's hot.
Hot.
Hot. It's very hot.
Okay.
Yes, it's very hot. And then look, the manok can turn the continuously rotation, and the manok is color brown.
Not the black.
Yes, pwede magsagalin.
Pwede naman.
Kahit konti lang.
Pwede.
Ibig sabihin, well, luto na yung manok.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man!
Yes. You look like a manok too.
I'm not a chicken.